Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the ANNETTE69 Beauty Creations collection. I received this yesterday and I was really excited to open it up, check it out. I did some swatches on my Snap, so if you guys follow me, then you saw that. Other than that, I have not tried it, other than what I just filmed in the video. So I'm gonna go ahead real quick and just show you guys the collection. It comes in this, what do you call this? Like a lata cover? I don't know, like a metal type case. It's super cute. The back has 69, and inside this is, oh my god, and this is the lip gloss trio, the eyeshadow palettes, the highlighter, the lashes, and then this little brush, which I actually forgot that it was there and I did not use it. But I think in her video, ANNETTE69's video, she says that it's for the glitters, I believe, to apply the glitters easily. Completely forgot about that. So let's check it out. First, I want to show you guys the palette. This is it. It says ANNETTE69 Beauty Creations. It has 69 all over with some aliens. Super cute. The inside has a circle mirror and like holographic design around. It has these colors here, and then the glitters. So super cute and bright colors. I actually planned on doing a green look today, but you guys will find out later on why it just didn't work out. But other than that, yeah, the palette is beautiful. This right here is the lip trio, and it comes with 3 glosses right here. Nude little gloss, like a holographic yellow sparkly glitter type gloss, and then a brown gloss. So that's super cute. Then comes the highlighter and a little package right here, super cute, kind of like the palette with the circle mirror, and then it has 69 on the inside, and it's like a gold color highlighter. I have it on as well, so you guys will see later on when I apply it, and it's super cute and bright. And then this is the package for the lashes, smoked out lashes. I'm wearing them, so they're not in here, but this is what it looks like, and they're super comfortable and light wearing. Yeah, they're super cute. So I dig these lashes. I think you guys will like them too. The band is like pretty thin, so they're easy to work with. So yeah, super cute. And then this is the little like spongy brush thing, applicator for the glitters, I guess. And I wish I would have used it next time. But yeah, this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want to know how to do the look I did, it's pretty simple. Then just keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna go ahead and set it real quick. I'm using the Studio Fix powder by MAC, shade NC25. And I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna go with the flow and see what I come up with. So here I have the ANNETTE69 and Beauty Creations, and Beauty Creations palette. This is the first time I am using it. These colors are gorgeous. These glitters. I swatched some on my Snapchat last night. So if you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you saw that. And you saw that the green was a little like chalky looking. So I'm hoping today it's like a different story and it will work out good because I will be using it. So let's go ahead from BH Cosmetics in number 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the green, which is called Dinero. And I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that. I'm packing it down on my crease. Doesn't look too bad, you guys. It's actually applying better than it did like on my finger. It's just not extremely bright, I guess, like it looks. But let's see. It's blending out good and everything. It's not as chalky as it was on my finger. Maybe I don't know. I'm not the best like swatching person. I'm gonna go ahead and take I'm gonna take this blending brush, number 6 from BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray collection. So I'm gonna be taking the pink, which is called Alien Girl, and I'm just gonna blend that out up here. It's kind of turning out funky. I don't know what the deal is here. Hold on, guys. I'll try using maybe like a different brush. Okay, this is not turning out how I wanted it to. It's not really blending together. I'm not sure what the deal is here. Like the two colors just won't blend together. I might have to just start all over. This is horrible. Okay, I'm gonna start all over. Not the deal. I'm gonna start with the pink first and then add the green later, see how that turns out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Alien Girl, and I'm using NG344 by Bella Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna focus that out here in my outer eye. See, this pink is beautiful. I love this. This is like blending out, super bright. I'm digging this one. Purple and pink. And I'll probably add some glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and add Ruiz, which is the purple. And with the brush number 5 from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna pat that down on my lid. I like it. It blends like beautifully into the pink. The green was just not blending. I don't know what the issue is. I don't know if maybe it's just my palette that the green came out kind of funky. But all the other colors are awesome. Like they're working good. I love this color and the pink, super pretty. So I don't know, guys. Don't know. Okay, I think I might do a little glitter here, so I'm gonna just probably use like foundation to go ahead and apply some glitter, and I'm just using another flat brush from BH Cosmetics, number 7. So I think I'm gonna take the glitter that's called 420 right here. It has like a lot of little like different specks of like colors in there, so I'm thinking it'll work. So pretty. I don't know if you can see that, you guys. I love that. So cute. I'm going to take a pixie brush in E03 and apply 6 in my inner corner. And take this Sigma eyeliner brush in E11 and I just wet it a little bit. And then I'm going to take the blue in color, the Boss. There's a darker blue and then a lighter blue. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to just then I'm gonna take her lashes, smoked out lashes. These are mink, 3D mink lashes. So okay, so I think I'm pretty much done with the eye look. I am gonna do the highlighter and then like a lip color, one of her lip glosses. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have both my eyes ready, I'm gonna do the highlight and the ANNETTE69 highlighter. If I can take it out. This one I swatched yesterday and it was really pretty. It's a gold color, has 69 like engraved in it. Super cute. And I'm going to use a BH Cosmetics highlighting brush. Just a little fluffy brush. That. Oh, that's really, really pretty, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it gives you a nice little glow. I don't think I need to reapply on that side. That's actually pretty bright. I'm loving this. This highlight is bomb. I like it. Let me highlight my nose. Probably just gonna use my finger. It's super pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna try, if I could take it out. This is what it looks like. The trio, the gloss trio. And one of them is like holographic looking. One of them is like a brown, one is like a nude. So, all right. Ooh, this is pretty. All right, let's try it. I don't think I'm probably gonna do like lip liner and stuff when I change the lip color. Unless I like it, then I might leave it. But I just want you guys to see what it looks like and see. That's really pretty. I actually like it. Super simple. I probably should have, I kind of want to do like a color and then put this over ahead and line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Club Hopper. And I'm gonna apply a CoverGirl liquid lipstick and it's the color Cakewalk, and this is one of my favorite new lipsticks ever. Okay, so I guess I'm done with this look. this is what I came up with. Like I said, the palette, it's beautiful. The colors are beautiful. The only color that gave me trouble was the color green, which is dinero. For some reason, it just wasn't really working for me. It just wasn't as bright as I thought it was gonna be. Didn't blend very well. So it's, I mean, you guys be the judge. I would definitely still recommend the palette. The glitters are bomb. The pink is what I tried. The blue, they're super bright colors. The purple came out good. I will be doing more looks for sure, so I'm gonna use it again before the launch happens, and that way you guys can see different looks with it. I'm gonna try the green again, see if I can work with it, and if I can make it happen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like this look. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.